version of me is INFINIX HOT 11, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, you need to access Play Store, click on the search bar and download your new default app. In my case, Opera Mini Browser. You don't have to open it, just wait for it to download and click on Home button. Then go into Device Settings, scroll down and select App Management over here. Then you need to click on Default Apps and select one of those sections. I want to change my browser, so I will click on Browser App, tap on Opera and go back. As you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!